Are you afraid of making videos for your online business? Well, if you are not alone. Many people struggle to create videos online because they have some fears that are holding them back. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 main fears and how you can overcome them, so stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert and welcome to this video. If this is the first time that you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put videos out on a regular basis and I want to make sure that you get access to them. Now, online videos, you know you should be creating them, you know you're probably not doing them, and it has to do with 3 major fears. Now, I've worked with thousands of students over the years. I've worked with thousands of clients, really. And literally, I have gone through and I have seen many people that have these same fears that I'm about to talk about. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dive in right now. All right, so fear number 1 is very, very common, but it's when people think, well, I might sound stupid. That's the fear, if you can believe it. I might sound stupid. I might not say the right thing. And this is a very legitimate thing, but here's the truth of the matter. People are looking for authenticity today. They are looking for people that just share something coming straight from the heart. Now, if you focus on just sharing what you share, I'm telling you, you will go out there and share great content. And people are not so concerned with the delivery of the content as they are with just the quality of the content. And that does not matter basically what you say. It really comes down to what are you addressing? So if you are focused on your prospect or the person viewing your video first and foremost, you won't be so concerned about what you say. Now, the biggest thing with fears is they tend to be more inwardly focused rather than outwardly focused. So if you get off thinking of yourself and think about the prospect and put yourself in the prospect or the viewer's shoes, what would you want to hear if you were in their shoes? And what are the solutions you'd want to hear if you were listening to your video? If you focus on that and not so much on yourself, I promise you, you're going to share good content, especially if you have the answer to their question. All right? So don't focus so much on yourself, focus on them, and you won't be worried so much about what you're going to say. So let's dive into number 2. All right, so number 2 is very legitimate, and this one actually affects the ladies more than it affects men. However, men can be tied up with this one as well. And that fear is, I look horrible on video. Some people think, well, the camera adds 10 pounds. You know, that kind of myth that goes around. Well, here's the truth and here's the reality. Again, like I shared before, people want authenticity. I will tell you, if you go out there and you are focused on just delivering good content, people are not going to care what you look like, okay? That is not what you should be focused on. Here's the thing. We tend to be our own worst critic. Now, I've been creating videos for over a decade now in online marketing, and I will tell you that, it really comes down to sharing just quality content. And the things that hold people back, we are the most critical of ourselves. And the things that people are looking at you about and they're watching your video, they're not thinking about how you look or, they came there with a specific purpose in mind to watch your video based on the headline, the thumbnail, the content of the video itself. Okay. So don't be so focused on you. Just be authentic, come from a genuine place. And I'm telling you, that fear will go away the more and more that you do videos. Now, I will warn you, okay, people will say negative things. You will get negative comments. That's just the nature of it. And we're going to talk more about that in fear number 3. But I'll tell you what, if you are just focused on creating a good experience, good quality content for your prospect or viewer, it's not going to be so much about what you think. So ladies, you're beautiful just the way you are. Men, you're awesome just the way you are. Now, I'm not saying come to your video in pajamas and a t-shirt and, bedhead and all that. Come looking your best, do your best. Don't worry about the rest of it, okay? Just do and put the focus on them, not so much on you. All right, let's dive into number 3. All right, so point number 3, fear number 3 is really the basis of all of them, and that's I'm afraid I'm going to be rejected. Now, here's the truth. Here's the reality of it. Okay, I've been, again, like I said, creating videos over a decade now online. And I will tell you, there will be times you will get negative comments. And the thing is that you will also get a whole ton of positive comments. Now, here's what happens with most people. They see the comments, they see all the overwhelming good comments, and then they get a negative comment, and all of their attention goes away from the positive comments, and they focus on that one negative content or that one negative comment. And that one negative comment is what kind of blows it all out of the water. My question to you is, why would you want to do that? Okay? If you are focused on, giving a good experience, good content, then when the negative comments come, you can just brush them off and not worry about it. The biggest question I have for you is, are those people paying your bills? If they are not paying your bills, then their opinion of you should matter absolutely nothing, okay? Other people's opinions of you do not determine your worth. When you understand that, when you internalize that, no negative comment will ever throw you off, and you'll never be fearful of being rejected again. In over 10 years of creating online videos, I got my fair share, but they don't even faze me anymore. I just blow past them, and I'm focused on creating the good content. If you want to be a mover and a shaker, and you want to be somebody who can go out there and have an impact, you got to be willing to accept some of the haters that will come your way, but focus on those that love you, and that's where you're going to really come away with a great experience. Do you know of any more fears that might hold people back from doing video? Do me a favor, if you're on YouTube, comment below and let me know. If you're on my blog, comment and let me know. And if you have not picked up my 101 video creation ideas PDF, make sure you go to markharbert.com/101 and download that. It gives you 101 ideas for creating videos. You'll never run out of ideas again. You can just go to that PDF and it'll give you something. All right. Appreciate you. Again, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.